Welcome to the another episode of CLJ Shorts. Hope you are enjoying the series. So moving forward, today's topic is membership in a company, or what do we mean by Membership Companies Act 2013. So usually people have many confusions or misconceptions about who is a member in a company or how the membership is acquired, what are the modes in which the membership is acquired. So let us know and clear a few concepts. You must have thought about it or been confused someday that is membership or the shareholders in a company same, or is it different? Membership or the beneficial owners is same, or the shareholders and the beneficial owners? These are few varying concepts which come to our mind. Let's discuss it further. So moving forward, the Companies Act discusses the topic membership in the section 2 subsection 55 of the Act. So, as we know that company is not made from an individual usually. The company is a collaboration of a bunch of people. So, there are a lot of members in a company or lot of participants in a company working, or activities such as directors, debenture holders, shareholders, and the employees, the beneficial owners, creditors, etc. etc. There are a lot of terms and there might be a lot of confusion to you. So when company is made of a whole lot of bunch of people, so do you think everyone is a member of a company? This is a wrong conception. So we'll clear this out, that everyone is not a member of a company. Even if that person is a shareholder, or that even a person is holding 100% shares of a company, that person, there is a possibility that that person won't be a member of a company. Bit dicey, na? So this concept is known as the register of the members, which means that for being a member of a company, that person's name should be in the register of the members. Then only a person can become a member of a company. So understanding this, it is not important to have the shares of a company to become a member, or it is not important that every person having shares of a company would be a member of the company. Even in few cases, a person is considered the member of a company when that person is considered the beneficial owner in the depository records of the company. Depository record means the shares in the demat form, which means your name is registered with the NSDSL or the CDSL. Then also you are the member of a company. Now let's learn about the different modes of acquiring of membership. So the first one is by subscribing to the Memorandum of Association. So when a person subscribes to the Memorandum of Association, he and she becomes eligible to become the member of a company. But of course, the name should come in the registrar of the companies. Secondly, by agreeing to become a member by making an application to the company for allotment of shares, or by executing an instrument of transfer of shares. As a transfer, which means that when a person owns a few amount of shares and he or she transfers the shares to the another person, so that another person becomes the member of a company. When his name is registered or is included in the register of the members, which is a very important concept, then only the person becomes a member of the company. Even consenting for the transfer of shares which was owned by the deceased member in the name of the another person makes the person member of the company, in whose name the shares are transferred after the deceased person. So that's the concept of the member of the companies. Most important term would be the register of the members, because then only a person is considered a member of a company. Thirdly, the person also becomes the member of a company by holding the equity shares in the electronic mode or a demat mode, which is currently in the use, and that person enters as a beneficial owner in the records of the depository of the company. So, moving forward, we're going to discuss that who can become the member of a company. So this is mainly subject to the person who can be competent enough to enter into a contract. Let's take that any company can become a member of the another company, because company is a separate legal entity and it can enter into a contract. It is competent to enter, so it can become a member also. Even a non-profit organization also can become a member of a company which is covered under the Section 8 of the Companies Act 2013. We also have information that minor cannot become a member. We take the same basis that minor cannot enter into a contract because minor does not fulfill all the conditions for entering the contract. We have a question about the insolvent people, that can they become a member? So yes, they can become the member of a company. Remember our concept, that's the register of the members. So yes, if an insolvent person has its name in the register of the members of a company, he will be an eligible member. Hence, there are many situations and conditions in points in which a person can become a member of the company. We have many more. Surely, if you have any views or questions, do put your queries in your comments. We conclude with a basic explanation on membership. Membership is mainly every person who has its name in the register of the company is the member of the company. It's not important that that person should be a shareholder or should fulfill any particular condition. That person should have the name in the register of the companies and should be competent to enter into a contract. Hope you find this video informative and will understand more in the next video. Thank you for giving your time.